What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you how to play 23 by the Burna Boy. So for this song we have the keyboard on the 3rd fret. The reason I'm doing this song because I find that this song has some guitar going on, mainly the chords which I can actually hear on the song. I can barely hear the chords. That's the reason I just want to do this song. So I also wanted to do more songs from his new album Twice as Star. So make sure to drop a comment down below if you just want to know any other song from his new album. So with no further ado, let's get started. We have the keyboard on the 3rd fret. So 1, 2, 3. And now let's have a look at the chord shapes firstly. A lot of like 6 chords we have for the song. 1 chord progression, 2 string pattern. C major, mute 3 2 0 1 0. A G major, which is 3 2 open 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 3. A minor, mute, open, second, first open. E minor, very easy, 0 2 2 0 0 0. F, which I'm playing 1 3 3 2 1 1. You can make it easy like this. And when you are playing this in this way, it's actually a lot easy. And if we just remove off your 3rd fret of the D string with your ring finger, it's an open on the D string, which brings us to the D minor 7 chord. Beautiful chord. And then when you just add your pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string, we come to a D minor chord. And that's basically all the chord shapes. So let's have a look at the chord progression. We start off with the A minor, D minor, C major, F major, D minor 7, G major, E minor, F major. 1 line chord progression, just a little bit long, but it's definitely very easy. A minor, D minor, C to a F, from D minor 7 to a G. No, I'm playing a D minor 7 over here right now. G, E minor, F. Now firstly I just want to do 1 down on each chord, like the beginning of the song. I do 1 down and then I just keep my hand on the string to get the sound of the chord major. So let's see how it sounds. Let me play it a couple of times. A minor, D minor, C, F, D minor 7, G major, E minor, F major. That's basically everything. Now the next string pattern is actually very much easy. I do down, up, mute. What I do is I do a down stroke, normal down and normal up, but after that up, I just keep my hand on the string to get the sound of the chord muted. Like this. And if you want, you can just utilize this fingers which are just free right now. You can just do a hit. Like this. So let's play for a couple of times with that same string pattern. Once for each chord the string pattern goes. Sorry, 1 2 3. Let's begin. Sorry, D minor, G, E minor. And that's basically everything you need for the song. So if this helped you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. So make sure that you just apply minimum effort in hitting that button, and stay tuned because I'm actually very much fast with the guitar tutorial, bringing out the most accurate, most guided, in-depth with guitar tips, guitar tutorial out there in YouTube. So make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you guys back in the next tutorial. Bye.